still windy, but it looks like it's going to be nice in a minute. Improvisation. You alright, babe? Oh, this on about the storms.
55 miles an hour. One hectare that is causing all of this, and you can see this great big curl of cloud wrapped around the storm. That has been producing some rain, but the rain will turn more persistent